The market just gave us a massive opportunity. As things have been going absolutely crazy recently, the market just gave us a golden opportunity to get in at a discount. Today, guys, I am going to be answering the number one question that I'm getting right now, and that is, if this was it, did we reach the peak, or where are we going to go from here? I am going to talk about what I am doing personally. I do have a few trades open, as you know, guys, and I always keep everything transparent. If I make gains, you will see that. If I make a loss, you will see that as well. I keep everything 100% transparent. I will show you what I'm going to do with my individual trades and also with my trading strategies, guys. So there's a lot of things to go over. Make sure to stick around and watch this video from the beginning until the end. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to navigate these markets. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it, and let us begin with Bitcoin. And Bitcoin really has been going sideways more or less since the 11th of July. So for 10 days, Bitcoin has just been consolidating right below the orange line right here. Now, what you can see for the first time is that we went up and we actually reached above it here, but we did have this candle go below it and close below my very important $119,800 level. Now, this is a very important level of resistance. So this is something we were already prepared for. In fact, when we saw the move from this move, basically the bounce here, I said that I believe that we're going to break through the 112k level, but we will meet resistance at 119,800. And that is what's been happening right now. But I want to show you this. So first, you had the wick going up above here, but closing below it. And then you had the candle getting close to it, but not really reaching. And also the wick not being as high as the previous swing high. And now you don't even have the candle being close to the orange line here. Instead, you have the wick going to the absolute dollar here, but getting rejected off of this point. So you would look at this and see some weakness in the market, and that's fine. And from a technical perspective, yes, this looks a little bit weak because of the fact that, yeah, we first had the wick, then we had the candle, and then not even the candle, and not now barely the wick reaching the orange line. So that's completely fine. But if you look at the fundamentals and where we are in the market in general, I do still think that we are going to go up higher. And as you know, guys, I believe that the target is between 180 to 280k. Now, when I said that, Bitcoin was at, what was it, 30k, 40k, and people thought it was ridiculous. But now that we are at 120 or 117 currently, but we reached as high as 123, all of a sudden, it started to become very realistic, and a lot of people started to FOMO right here. So this is why you want to prepare beforehand. You don't want to FOMO, and this is what happened. So that is something that is very important here. If you look at Ethereum, you can also see that Ethereum is going down, but look at this. We do have the support here at 3,616. So this is very important, and for the altcoin market in general, Ethereum is extremely important. If Ethereum continues to do well, the rest of the altcoin market is most likely also going to continue to do well. Now, for Ethereum, really, we can remain bullish. So we have support level at 3,609 or whatever this is. And then you can go down all the way. Ethereum can remain bullish even if we go down to 3K. So we could go down to 3K and still remain bullish. So that is why in my opinion, this is what I am doing, not financial advice. Nothing in my videos is financial advice. It's just my opinion and what I'm doing personally. I would be buying here at 3,618. I would be buying a little bit more at 3,288, and then also at 3K, because in my opinion, the market remains bullish here for Ethereum, even down to these levels, and any kind of opportunity here or any kind of dip is an opportunity in my opinion. Now, if you look at, I wanted to show you something else. Just hold on. Let me see. Yeah, it's this one. So this is on the monthly chart, and you know that this is the most important chart. We went pretty high above this point yesterday, but if we manage to close like this on the monthly time frame, and I will continue to update you every single day on this one, if we close something like this, where we break above this point and even consolidate above this resistance point, that is very, very good for the altcoins and for Ethereum, of course, as well. So that is looking really, really good. XRP is going down. You can see we had a breakout from this point. Let's see if we can find support here on the daily time frame for XRP. Pepe is going down. So altcoins in general, they are going down pretty significantly today, but it's nothing compared to the gains that we have been seeing here. So of course you're going to have pullbacks. And also with these pullbacks, guys, it just means that my trading strategies are going to make more gains. So as you know, guys, the trading strategies, they need the volatility. That is how they make the gains. By buying on the way down and then taking that gain on the way up. So it's exiting as we're going up and it's getting a larger position as we're going down. So that's the entire point of these ones. And this is how we've been able to outperform the rest of the market. So instead of just being in a trade, being stressed right now, you can be content and you can understand that these strategies, they're going to buy on the way down, they're going to buy the dip, and they're going to take profit automatically on the way up. So that is why with these dips, I actually want to see them. I want to see the dips because that means that I'm outperforming the market and I am also using the volatility to amplify my gains. That is why these strategies are so beautiful. And currently, I'm still up at 1.6 million here on the dynamic strategies, still up 120K, even though, yes, I did add significant positions here recently at a pretty high price for Solana, and I added it for Pepe and for Sui. Now Sui is down here and also my trade is down. We'll show you in a bit. But yeah, for the Pionex strategies, this is the entire point. You want to see the drop so that we can see the gains when we start to go up again. That's the entire point, and that is why it's so beautiful. Now, for my individual trade, you can see that they're still up, but the Sui trade I entered yesterday is down significantly. This was a very big position. It was 250K on 10x leverage. So that is something that we need to pay attention to. And if we go any lower, I might have to adjust the margin here a little bit to lower the liquidation price, but we will see. But I still think that Sui is going to do very well moving forward. Now, if you want to use my trading strategies and you want to join the individual trades as well, I do have all of the links to my favorite exchanges in the description. Just go down here. You have all of the tutorials, by the way, you need to watch right here, going over how the strategies works. And then Pionex, sign up using this link right here, and then claim the amazing bonuses using this link. And then with one click, you have my main coins, and then you have the rest of the coins in my bull market portfolio if you want to use them. And then you have also the rest of the coins here, over 180 other altcoins. Make sure to click on this link. You will find most likely the coin that you want to use. Now, for my individual trades, you can use VX and Tap It. They have crazy bonuses right now, guys. So make sure to take advantage of this. If you are an experienced investor, experienced trader, you can take advantage of great deposit bonuses. So let me now move on. In the middle of all of this, in the middle of crypto going down, you can see that the fundamentals continues to be very strong. Trump Media, they purchased $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. You also have Mexico-listed real estate firm Grupo Murano, which are planning to adopt a Bitcoin as a core strategic asset with an initial investment of $1 billion, and they want to raise and purchase $10 billion within 5 years. Also, you have Sequence have purchased 1,264 Bitcoin. So that's about 270 million that they have acquired so far. You have Profusa. They are also buying Bitcoin. So you can see this happening behind the scenes, guys. And it's more and more companies buying more and more Bitcoin. And there is a limited supply of Bitcoin, guys. And this is going to continue. So you have also Volcon, which is a EV company. They purchased about $500 million worth of Bitcoin. And then you can see also the Ether machine. They are raising money for buying Ethereum. Very interesting. You have the Bitcoin ETF also. Actually, yesterday was a red day, but the rest of the day is very, very good. But interestingly, Ethereum was actually green yesterday. So, 21st. Sorry, Ethereum was, this is Bitcoin. Interesting. Okay, let me see. This is still Bitcoin. So let me look at Ethereum. I'm pretty sure Ethereum was, So Ethereum was a green day. Almost $300 million accumulated through the ETF here for Ethereum. So everything is going well. This company is also raising money to buy Solana. So everything is going well, guys, and I'm just excited for the next leg up. This is an opportunity in my opinion, and my trading strategies are automatically taking advantage of it, of course. But also, I am looking for more individual trades. As soon as I see a new setup, I will share it with you as I always do. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.